Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today I'm gonna interview
Ahmad Supian.
yeah. Our topic about is online education and traditional education. So first, Supian, what do you think when you hear about online education and traditional education?
In my opinion about online education and offline education is that first online education, as far as I know, is that online education is learning or study using like Zoom, Meet, or something like that in your devices like PC, laptop, or even your smartphone, like this.
Google Meeting.
Then yes, it's on. So and then in traditional education is like school, like college, like us.
You teaching directly.
Yes, yes.
There is
Teaching directly.
teacher and
So
student talking directly.
right, nothing directly.
Yes.
And yeah, I think as far as now is that.
Okay. So, do you think which type of education do you think is much more stressful? Like more give
Stressful.
yeah, stress, give you stress.
Yeah, yeah, I know. Um, I think the one that more stressful is, to be honest, is it's offline because
Or traditional
yeah,
offline.
traditional because we I mean I do it most of my life.
Yeah.
Yes, unlike online education, I
Mm.
just do it like in COVID-19
Online
back then, and
relax,
yes,
traditional boring.
boring. But it's effective also,
Yes, kind of effective.
effective, but it's more stressful.
Much more stressful, much more heavy than online, right?
And then,
Because online you can sit down or lay down, you can
or
do
even
whatever you want.
or even sleeping
Yeah,
or
you can
eating.
sleep when you're meeting your teacher
You
on
just
Zoom.
turn off the camera off and then
Turn off the camera.
do everything you
They
want.
don't gonna know what you're doing.
What your teacher doing?
So, where do you feel more focused? Like more, you think like more focused? Like you can learn much more online or traditional way.
I
Eh,
choose traditional way
traditional way. Why?
because we can use directly as teacher when we don't understand, like itu maksudnya apa Pak Guru,
Oh
dan
yeah,
langsung jadi langsung so the teacher just immediately explain it to us like like this or like that immediately. Unlike online education, they are just focused on teaching, but when we ask, they sometimes don't
oh yeah.
listen
Don't
to
miss
us.
because there's a lot of yeah.
And yeah, maybe because the quality sound is bad also.
Mm. So you think traditional ways give you more focus than online?
Yes, of course, it is more have
So, which
advantage.
one do you think give help you more in your when you which one do you think give you much more time on managing like give help you managing your time more better like online or traditional ways?
In talking about managing time, I think it's online education
Oh,
because we can just do it at home, right?
yeah, you can do something while you're studying.
Yes,
While the
Una,
teacher is speaking, you can do studying. You
yeah,
can do anything.
you can do anything.
Like right. She said that when she using Zoom with her teacher, she making noodles. Astagfirullah, ya,
And
belajar.
the teacher
Yeah,
don't know about
teacher
it.
don't know because the camera is here, right? She doing this.
She doing
Yeah, di bawah. Or she
that.
can turn the camera off.
When she slurp the noodle, she
Yeah,
turn off the
turn
camera,
off camera.
and then she just turn on again. So,
So you
so
think online is give you more managing time
yes,
better?
it's more better.
Okay.
Unlike the traditional one, we must go to
To
classes,
class
classes and
and yeah, yeah, wait. You can
when
do anything, just sit and
yes,
listening.
listening to them, or even when the teacher also can be late
Oh yeah,
sometimes.
sometimes they can be
So
late
we
too.
can.
So you just sit there and waiting your teacher. You
Yes.
don't do anything else. But online you can just sleeping first, waiting your teacher, do
Yes.
something.
But I'm not gonna recommend you do that.
Okay, so as you know, we there's a pandemic back then, right?
Oh
Like
yeah,
COVID-19.
COVID-19.
So have you ever experienced online learning at that time, and how do you feel? Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, I have online classes back then
Yeah.
in like Zoom, but
Oh,
I'm never turn on the camera. So and there also assignment, but I'm not working. There's so many of them. I don't know when I should do first. So yeah, I just gonna ignore it. And you know what? I still pass
yeah, yeah,
the
still pass that. Even though
class,
you
even
don't
I don't do
do the
online
assignment.
assignment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also do it, but
Do you have one?
the advantage of it that when it's recording voice note,
Oh yes.
mahapal,
Mahal.
sort of, I just open the book
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of
and then
course.
record it because I feel
Yeah,
tired. So yeah, I just doesn't want to
yeah.
remembering sort of. So yeah, I
I
just
mean, nobody knows you.
nobody gonna know it because it's just recording your voice, not video. So yeah, it's actually the assignment is actually much more easy because you can open Google, open yeah you
Open
can
book.
open book. The teacher is gonna know not gonna know anything
Yeah,
about it.
why you tell them our secret?
Yeah, you're not gonna tell them anyway.
Why we tell them our secret?
So it's much I think enjoy it. But the assignment is just too much. Even though you can use the tools, but the assignment is
Right.
very much.
Very much, too
Yeah,
much.
too much.
Yeah,
Like this,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
This,
yeah.
yeah, Mr. Fitra, please
I'm sorry. We are
don't
sorry. We are sorry.
don't give us like this
So
again an
about
assignment.
you're talking about enjoyment before. So I think I'm kind of so-so. I'm not really enjoy or
50-50.
yeah 50-50. I'm not really enjoy it or not this. I'm not dislike it also.
We just like it because the holiday. Yeah.
Yes, yes, of course. It's starting from
It's the
2 weeks, 2 weeks holiday
yeah. The
to
starting is 2 weeks and
and
then
then
2 weeks.
2 years. What the fuck?
It's
Sorry.
really that's the only point that we enjoy.
Oh yeah, so true.
So what do you wait, so do you think online education is do you think online education is gonna help a student that's shy or introvert to make them more comfortable?
Um, Maybe because shy people don't really appear too much when
Too
on
much speaking.
yes they are just listening or focus on what teacher said on the camera. Um,
Sometimes they don't even asking them even
yes,
though they don't know anything. Right?
yes, like in class they sometimes just getting asked by the teacher but they say right,
Yeah.
so maybe they get nervous or something.
Also
So
the introvert like
yes,
they don't really want to talk too much, especially in class because there's a lot of people and they're introvert.
yes,
So I think the introvert maybe much more prefer the online
they are more
because
comfort,
they're in their house in their room.
yes,
There's no people, just online.
they are
Yeah,
more comfortable here.
yeah, I think a lot of people is introvert. Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know what happened this era, but yeah,
yeah,
most of
of
we
people is introvert. Yeah,
so
sometimes human is introvert once in a while. You
yeah.
can change that. So you think the middle schooler SMP should mix both online and traditional ways education?
I think yeah, why not? I mean, there are so many opportunities to do with online classes, like when the teacher is busy doing works in luar kota right?
Or
And
when there's far away the
they far
teacher?
away, so they can just start a online class.
Okay.
So they not missing any
Any
mo-
class, any
class
any teaching.
teaching day.
Yeah.
So I because we also have it in the SMP, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I guess it's a good decision to do it. Yeah, that's it.
How about like high school or like SD? Do you think they should mix both or just use traditional way?
I don't think they don't understand about online
Hmm.
classes. Yeah, I think
Because they still yeah,
they're
the
still
kids like
kids, right?
even though they use phone very much, but yeah, they don't really understand too.
Don't really understand.
But how about like high schooler?
Of course, I recommend it. Like I mean, like in middle school when the teacher are far away,
Okay.
they
Oh,
can
the same like middle schooler
yes,
too. Okay.
same.
So
Use
overall, do you think modern ways is much more easier than traditional ways?
yes, it is more convenient.
Oh,
The modern like online classes like Zoom, Gmeet, apa lagi?
Google,
Google,
Google Meet,
Google
see,
Meet.
yeah, Google Meet,
Yeah, I think it's more
yeah,
more helpful.
yeah, teaching
So more helpful to teaching
is
when the teacher is busy
so
doing
busy. So,
so.
how about like social media? Do you think it's also like modern ways to teach, like Reels,
Oh
Instagram?
yeah,
There's sometimes education video,
yeah,
right?
education video.
Do you think it's also in modern ways to teaching?
It's it is yes it is. So I do sometimes see education
Education video.
education video in Instagram, YouTube Short, or even uh, TikTok. Yeah,
Okay.
there's so many information there. I even learning or studying about it like when I'm interested in books.
Like language, like
And
Duolingo.
yeah,
There's an app like that.
yeah, you know what? I'm also learning English in social media.
Yeah, yeah. A lot of people are starting with on learning other language is from social media, like film too, music.
Or even video games.
Yeah, video games. I so do you think video game is also included in modern ways to teach on
Yeah,
education
yes, because it's uh, make
or make this make
the
the people
student
make
make
the
this
people who play the video game enjoy.
yes yes it mengambil
Or
attention them.
yeah. You can take the knowledge from it because you enjoy it
Yes, the so the student can
much more.
the attention of
Yeah, the
student
attention more focus.
yes because of the fun they can get
Yeah.
and also the apa materi apa itu
Or
the
the
knowledge
knowledge.
yeah
Yeah.
the knowledge they get so yeah it is more helpful. I
Mm.
recommend doing games and learning
I don't like Basara. You know Basara.
Bahasa
I don't even know the language, but
because it's Chinese.
yeah,
Why
it's
you play
Chinese.
Chinese game?
We can still literally play it. We know the button where this is.
It
Like
is
even though we don't know anything, the language is
yes.
talking about.
It
We
is
still
called pattern recognition.
yeah, we can recognize it. So you think modern is much more ini more convenient,
Yes,
much
more
more
convenient.
to advantage. So yeah, I think that's all.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that's
Maybe.
the last question, guys.
So
So I'm sorry if it's kind of noisy and
we are in
our apa ini our voice not gonna hear you're not gonna hear our voice because yeah
you
there's a lot of
should
people.
turn off the
Yeah, just
turn
turn
up
up
the
the
volume.
volume or you can use speaker. Yeah,
Use the speaker
because
or even
there's a lot of people here
the
right now.
OS.
Yeah,
So
you can
yeah.
use your earphone maybe. So and also Mr. Fitra,
Yes, bro.
please don't give us any more
Yes,
assignment
yes.
like
Please
this,
don't give.
please.
It is
Yeah,
very hard.
it's very hard
So
and it's very
we are please.
yeah. It's this is very helpful to us to
Yeah,
increase to improve our
English.
communication skill
Yes.
English. but still please don't make us make a video like this again.
This is too much.
Yeah, too
Please.
much.
We are still beginner.
15 minutes. Yeah, guys.
Yes.
Okay, I think that's all.
Oh no. We are
Okay.
still-
Thank
we
you
are
guys
still-
for watching. See you again. Mati.
Yes.
See you again. Mati.
What the?
What the fuck? Nah, 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 nah.